Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make the perfect baked potato. When you want that fluffy potato inside and crispy skin outside, bake potatoes in an oven. Russet potatoes are the best variety to use for perfect baked potatoes, since they're high in starch and low in moisture, which gives you that fluffy and dry texture. Potatoes are high in potassium and vitamin C. If you eat the skin, you'll also get some fiber. Heat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Wash the potatoes and pat them dry. Place them on a baking tray lined with foil or on a rack on top of a baking tray. Poke the potatoes with a fork about 12 times. Rub them all over with a little vegetable oil. Sprinkle salt on both sides. Bake in the heated oven for approximately 1 hour, depending on the size of your potatoes. These are large, so I baked for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Insert a knife into the middle of the potato and it should go in easily. Make a cross on top of the potato and push the sides in. Fluff up the inside with a fork. The skin is crispy and you can eat it if you like. The inside is fluffy and has a wonderful smoky flavor from the skin. You won't get that with a microwaved baked potato. Sprinkle some salt and ground black pepper. I like butter on top. You can add sour cream, cream cheese, shredded cheese, bacon, scallions, any other topping you'd like. I hope you try this simple and satisfying baked potato. Share this video and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.